right, dear CEOs and fellow hamsters. Are your trades feeling a bit wobbly? Or do you think the market is just a puppet show run by fancy suits on Wall Street? Well, today, we're diving deep into some insights that could completely transform your trading strategy and help you snag some serious cash. Let's roll in! Rodents, we need to talk. Have you ever watched day traders dance around the market like they're at a hamster rave? One minute they're selling like crazy, and the next they're buying back what they just tossed away. But it turns out that's so wrong. If you want to know the secret sauce to turning those moves into cash, let's dive into this video.
Day traders have it all wrong. They see the market run up, they sell it. It comes down, they buy it. It runs up, they sell it. It comes down, they buy it. It runs up, they sell it. And then, whoa, prices take off and they sell and they lose money all the way up, not realizing the only way you make money in the market is to catch a trend. It doesn't matter if you're a day trader or a long-term trend trader. Trend is the basis of all profits. You need a trend. Now, we also know this, if you study your charts, you'll see that all large range days, or almost all of them, close at their high or close at the low. So the most successful day trading strategy is to hold to the close. Don't try to dance in and out, because when you have a loss, you're going to have a big loss. Try to catch a trend move, hold to the close, and you're going to make a lot more money. You'll become a successful day trader.
Day traders, listen up. Stop buying and selling like a hamster on a sugar high. If you want to make some real cheddar, you need to learn how to spot a trend instead of chasing your tail. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Hold on to those stocks and stop dancing with the charts all day. Otherwise, you might just end up as broke as a hamster on a diet. Ever feel like the stock market is one big maze? Just when you think you found the way out, you hit a wall. And if you thought big suits were pulling these strings, I have some huge news for you. Let's roll into the next video and change our trading game forever.
Veteran Wall Street trader exposes strategies used on stock exchanges.
The first thing you really need to know and understand is that the algorithms control the stock market. The algorithms, not the big institutional players, not the huge hedge funds, not anybody. It's the algorithms that control the market. What do I mean by that? It's very, very simple. You have premium in the market on a day-to-day basis, premium level, and you have discount levels. And if the market is moving up towards a premium level, the algorithms are going to go to that area to create liquidity.
Okay.
Conversely speaking, if the market is coming down and the direction is lower, the algorithms are going to go to that discount area and they're going to create liquidity and they're going to create volatility to get the fractions moving.
So, the big reveal is that it's not the Wall Street suits controlling the market? I mean, come on, folks. Don't tell me I was just playing with some fancy math all this time. At least I know how to navigate those premium and discount levels now. Just remember, trying to predict the market is like trying to find my favorite hiding spot. Good luck with that. Thanks for watching, Blockchain Geeks. For more wisdom, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye. Hey friends, and welcome to a new episode. Ever wondered how to succeed in the financial world? I bet you have. The internet is swamped with theories and methods. It's enough to make your head spin. So, I've done some digging, listened to experienced folks, and picked out a few videos that could really help. Like this one, which dives into trading strategies. Let's check it out.
What is my strategy? I truly just trade with trend lines and some support and resistance. I always use trend lines. I'm gonna come in with one touch point, 2 touch points here. And this is platinum. This is a great example. We've got 1, 2, 3, almost 4 touch points here on this upward trend line. I would get into this position only because the trend line was broken. So we'll just say, for example purposes, we've got 1, 2, 3 touch points on this downward trend line, and then boom, we've got a break of a trend. I would take a long position here. Now we are following up. We're going up, 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 up. I would stay in this position for as long as the trend is happening. And my indication for when it is no longer trending in that direction is when price breaks that trend. Did I know January 2nd was going to be the day that platinum no longer trended up? I don't know. So I will close my position and take my profit when the price of platinum is no longer trending along the current trend that I'm in. That is essentially my strategy in a nutshell. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.
Wow, with a strategy like that, you could become a real fortune teller. I especially love the part about the nutshell. I've got loads of those at home. But before you dive into trading, you need some startup capital, right? Well, I found a video on how to boost your funds. Grab your notebooks.
You can get to $1 million working for somebody else, working really hard on the same things. But if you want to go to that $10 million mark, you got to do something different.
What do you need to do differently?
Typically, I think you have to get some skin in the game. This is when you have to start earning not just with your time and brain, but also with your money. So you've got to invest in something. You've got to understand deal structuring. You've got to get a little equity in something. You've got to become an owner in some way, shape, or form. It could be an owner inside of a business, but you've got to get some sort of upside potential. And I think that is where the public school system kind of stops teaching us.
Yeah, they don't teach it at all.
No.
Exactly. They didn't teach this in my school either, but they should have. No worries though, you've got me. Don't miss new episodes to always stay a step ahead in the profit race. But are knowledge and skills really that crucial for trading? Many say it's more about luck. Well, let's hear what the experts have to say on this topic.
Do you believe that traders have a fair chance if they have the right education?
Okay, it's a good question. Look, if you learn the game and you understand how trading works, and you become a successful trader, you learn technical analysis, you learn price action, you learn about risk management, which means stop orders. The stock market gives you this amazing tool that can protect your downside risk. What does that mean? That means if I put 100 shares to buy at 50, I can put in what's called a stop order at 49.5, so that if the trade goes against me, I'm not going to lose. I can identify how much I'm willing to lose, and so think about it. I'm willing to lose $50 to make $200 every day of the week, but I'm not willing to risk 200 to make 50, because if I have one losing trades, I need 4 winners to get even. So the rules of the game need to be identified, need to be learned by everybody. When somebody is a successful trader, they're not worrying about what the institutions are doing.
Proper analysis and knowing how to use the right tools are what distinguish a real expert. It's a pity when I started, there wasn't so much wisdom on the internet. I had to run quite a few laps before I learned anything valuable. Truly, what a fantastic time to learn trading. Don't miss the insights we share here to enhance your chances of success. See you in the next episode, friends. Hit like, share this video with your buddies, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.